respected Avinash ma'am, Principal ma'am, Manmeet ma'am, my fellow teachers, and my dear students. The most beautiful creations of God are the birds and animals of the world. And among the most ferocious of these is the proud tiger. This creature, अच्छा आप सुनोगे नहीं तो समझ नहीं आएगा. थोड़ा सा सुन लेते हैं. Grade 1. This creature is also the national animal of India. But it is really sad to say that we are left with few. In 1973, the tiger count in India was left at mere number of 268. 1973 में सिर्फ 268 टाइगर्स थे. ठीक है, याद रखना. ओके. Save Tiger was an initiative taken by the government of India in 1973 to put a ban on illegal hunting and poaching of tigers. With constant efforts of the Indian government and various social institutions, multiple tiger conservation programs were run. Recent survey revealed that with the help of these conservation programs, we now have 3,682 tigers. Can you give a big hand? Thank you. Now we have 3,682 tigers in India. This year, on 29th July, we celebrated 50 years of Project Save Tigers. The need of the hour is that such beautiful and royal species should be preserved and protected if we do not want to hear them in stories like dinosaurs. Tigers are one of a kind, so please keep them in mind. With that thought, I pass on the command of the assembly to Anvi Rana. Anvi Rana, please come on stage.
I am Virana from class 20. Welcome you all to the assembly on Save Tiger. I request them to come on us for the prayer.
Adult tiger weigh up to 363 kilogram.
Tiger can move at speed of 65 km per hour. India is a country with the largest number of wild tigers, around 3,000 wild tigers
Are in India.
are in India. Humans have a unique fingerprint that no one could ever copy. Just like us, tiger species have their own fur pattern, which means that no two tigers share the same stripe. Tiger stripes also run skin deep. Even if they go bald, you could still see their unique stripes. Tigers are considered the best hunters in the world. Tigers live for about 25 years. It is said that one punch from the tiger's front hand, it is enough to kill a person or an animal, or at least break one's bone. A group of tigers are called an ambush or streak. Now we have an another says to recite the poem on saving tigers. Save the tiger, there are nations pride. We can't be destined to take their lives. Come together and ban this illegal trade and hunt.
Open your eyes before your efforts go blunt. We were born to coexist, not to make them extinct. Save the tiger, they are our nation's pride.
We can't be destined to take their lives. Come together and ban this illegal trade and hunt. The tiger's might is strong, killing them for their skin is strong. Now, my friends, we'll share a few lines on why we need to save tigers. On 29 July, we celebrate International Tigers Day to spread awareness to save tigers.
Ravya,
It is a symbol of beauty, bravery, strength, and nationality.
thank you Ravya.
Tigers are
The number of
the
tigers
number of tigers are decreasing day by day due
due to the intervention of human beings in
of
the
human beings in the habitat. Generally hunt tigers for their skin. Illegal hunting must be banned.
Zorawar.
Tiger is
Wait, Zorawar, wait.
The tiger is extinct from our ecosystem, then our whole ecosystem is going to be imbalance. Our forest and nature going to imbalance because it stays top of the food chain. It has had many programs and campaigns to save tigers. The Save Tiger project was also launched by Government of India in 1973 to protect the existence of tigers. We are celebrating 50 years of the Save Tiger project. In order to save the tiger, the government has made natural parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Let's save the tiger to save our forest, to save the environment, and to save Earth. Thank you.
world of our majestic tigers with the help of a small video. I
remember me? Who I am? Yes, good morning. I am Avinash ma'am. Have you seen me in Small Wonders also? Yes. And do you like Smart Wonders? Are you happy in Smart Wonders school? Very happy? Then say yes, I am very happy in Smart Wonders school. Very good, very good. So did you see it was, but did you, it was about tigers. We should save tiger or we should not save tiger? Yes, why should we save tigers? For the ecosystem, yes. And children, do you know how many tigers are there in India? Yes, 3600.
Please raise your hand if you want to answer.
If you really know, then ma'am, give them a chance.
Yes. Please raise your hands, those who want to answer. Very good.
good. And how many tigers are there in India? Wait, only one.
3026.
3000.
26.
26. But you are close. You are close. Think again. So let me say, you can say 3700. Okay. 3700 count tigers are there in India. Okay. So maybe next year we will be having 3800 or maybe 3900. Yes. So have you seen national parks? Have you seen zoo? Yes? Tell me the name of national park in India. 2 names of national park. 2 names. If you know one, tell me the name of national park. You know the name of national park. There is one, Jim Corbett. Have you seen Jim Corbett? Have you seen Jim Corbett? Yes, there is another Ranthambore. Okay, and there is a big tiger, there is a big national park in Gujarat also. Whenever you go for summer holidays, try to tell your parents that I want to see zoo, I want to go to the national park. Okay, children? Yes? Yes. And children, when your friends, they come on the stage, you never applaud, you never cheers for them. And they don't like that I am giving some knowledge and you don't. At least now grade 1 being performed. So everybody give a big round of applause for grade 1 class. Loudly. And now for your teachers. Give a big round of applause for your teachers. And children, say big thank you. Thank you, teachers. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sarika ma'am. Thank you, Muna ma'am. Thank you, Manveen ma'am.